In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar fast 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know how to create events, invite people, set recurring schedules, and even make a separate calendar to keep things organized. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing into your account. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, switch to Calendar from the left sidebar. This is your main hub for planning and tracking your schedule. To create a new event, click the New Event button at the top. A panel opens where you can enter the basics. Give your event a clear, concise title so it stands out in your calendar. Next, if you want to bring others in, start typing their email addresses in the attendees field. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type, and you can add multiple people if needed. This sends them an invite and helps everyone stay on the same page. Choose the date for your event, then set the time range. If it's a longer block, adjust the start and end times to match. Double check that it doesn't overlap with something important, and make sure the timing works for everyone you invited. If this is something that repeats, like a weekly check-in or a class, turn on the recurring option. Pick how often it repeats and select the days that apply. This saves you from recreating the same event over and over. At this point, you can click Save to lock in the basics. You can also add more detail to make the event even more useful. In the description area, write an agenda, notes, or any important links and location details. Clear descriptions help attendees prepare and reduce back and forth messages. When you're done, click Save again to update your event. You'll now see your event on the calendar in the date and time you selected. If you invited attendees, Outlook will handle the invitations and RSVPs for you. To keep things tidy, you can create a separate calendar for different parts of your life, like work, personal, or school. Click Add Calendar, then choose Create Blank Calendar. Give it a name that makes sense, pick a color so it's easy to recognize at a glance, and click Save. You can toggle calendars on or off to control what you see without deleting anything. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready for your day. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.